How to use credit card abroad. First, use a credit card with no foreign transaction fee. Many, but not all, credit card issuers charge fee for purchases made overseas with a foreign merchant. These fees typically range from 1 to 3% of each purchase and can result in you paying significantly more than the listed price of anything that you purchase overseas. This can really add up over the course of a trip. Before you depart, check your credit card and debit card agreements to see if they include such fees. If they do, then apply for a credit card with no foreign transaction fee, as well as for a debit card that does not charge extra for ATM withdrawals in other countries. Make sure to apply far enough in advance to allow for approval, account setup, and receiving your new card in the mail. Call your credit card issuer before leaving. Once you have the requisite cards, alert your issuer of your travel plans and ask for the number that you can call collect for assistance while overseas. This not only will ensure that your cards do not get suspended because of suspicious activity, but also will get you a way to contact your issuer free of charge if something comes up. Some card issuers no longer need cardholders to alert them to upcoming travel. For example, American Express uses fraud technology to help recognize when cardholders are traveling. Amex does recommend that you keep your contact information updated in case it needs to contact you while you're away. Be sure to check with your credit card company before you leave to see if notifying them is necessary. Avoid dynamic currency conversion. Make sure to avoid dynamic currency conversion, a credit card feature that allows you to make a credit card purchase in a foreign country by using the currency of your home country. Some of us tend to have trouble relating foreign currency to the US dollar, at least off the top of our heads while shopping. Foreign merchants take advantage of this fact at the checkout counter by offering to quote the final price in US dollars and, unbeknownst to tourists, making that conversion at an uncompetitive exchange rate. Avoiding these unnecessary costs is quite simple. All you need to do is refuse to sign any check or receipt not expressed in the local currency. Memorize your PIN. With the institution of chip and PIN technology, some credit card terminals, particularly those in Europe, require cardholders to enter a personal identification number. Make sure you have one set up and memorized before you leave town. Merchants in some countries still use the less sophisticated magnetic strip system. As a result, merchants in these markets may not accept your credit card if you don't have proper identification. As long as you carry your passport, you should be fine. Merchants simply want to be able to verify that the person using a credit card is actually the one authorized to do so. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.